Tonight, on Nature's Calling, another terrifying true story of nature unleashed on this lifestyle block. 7 friends on a camping trip from hell, far from the big city, in near total isolation.
I've hidden a key, and we're not going back until we last a full night.
Well, what the hell are we supposed to do?
We connect. Without a connection.
Hey,
But what if we have business?
Leave it behind.
No, business.
Leave it behind. We're nature.
Business.
Dig a hole.
For these city slickers, nature was not calling as strongly for some as for others.
the sun is too bright.
Isn't it wonderful?
No. It is so hot.
Why are we doing this?
The full force of nature, unleashed and unbearable.
Nature. I see myself in nature.
For one of the unhappy campers, things take a drastic turn.
Gotta get the key.
Go behind a tree.
It's bigger than that.
She's gonna dig a hole.
I gotta get that key.
Yeah.
But this desperate camper was looking in vain. That precious key was not hidden in a tent.
This is nice.
Yes. Bugger.
Shit!
I gotta get out of here.
But as nature was calling, there was no answer.
Damn it!
Hello?
Key,
No.
please.
Dig a hole.
Oh. Job done.
So, one man's mission is accomplished, but as the thin winter sun starts to fade, the temperature drops, and with it comes cold-induced diuresis.
Where's the key, Emily?
I don't know.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
What, you lost the damn key?
I'm busting.
You're all too close.
This is awful, right? That is awful.
I don't think I can hold on.
Well, if you expect me to drink my own piss like Bear Grylls, you're goddamn insane. Bombs up. Oh. It's bourbon, guys. I said I wasn't gonna drink my own piss. God.
So, for our hapless campers, Mother Nature won, as she always does.